Good day guys, this is JBL Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to add a password on your Windows 10 operating systems. You will need to click on the Windows 10 button, type in PASS, then open the application. You'll be sent to settings and you will need to click on where it says password. Because you don't have a password, you will need to add a new password. Navigate to where it says new password. Sign in a password of your choice. Do make sure that it's a strong password though. Once done, you will need to go to the tab where it says confirm password. Repeat the same password that you have put on the previous tab. Click on the password hint in order for you to remember what you have already written. Once done, you need to say next and say finish. All the changes should be done and you can restart your machine if you want. On the next login, you should be fine and you should be able to sign in your password. Thank you guys. Do subscribe please and comment.